Hi students, sorry I'm out again today. I just want to quick explain your assignment related to the lab yesterday. So yesterday you did this lab where you compared the strips of zinc, and your focus should have been on seeing if there was a difference in hardness, whether you had a short or a long strip of zinc. Hopefully you found good data, and it should be filled in here. If you didn't get data for any reason, you could copy from a group member or your table partner and have them explain their data to you. But hopefully everybody got good data here. It's similar to our data from our last lab where we did the hardness test of the different metals. Just this time we were comparing short and long zinc to see if we found the same hardness. So today you're going to answer these two questions, and you've done the reading and completed the lab, so you should be ready. So first, does the length of the piece of zinc affect the hardness of zinc? That's just a quick answer. I'd like you to answer yes or no and tell me why. Question 2 is a little more tricky. So question 2 says, is hardness a property of substances? Write a conclusion based on your data. When they say conclusion, they mean CER. They mean make a claim that answers this question, is hardness a property? Support it with evidence that comes from your data table here, and provide some reasoning related to a scientific principle to help you explain the science behind your answer. I recommend scientific principle number 1, the same one you used on page 21. Look back at page 21 and at the rubric in the front of your book when you answer this question. Shoot for 3 to 5 sentences to have a detailed answer. If you need extra space, you can kind of work up the side of your page or whatever you need to do to write your answer well. And this will be another graded CER on that rubric in the front of your book. So take some time, do your best, and when you're finished, I left a fun video for you to watch if there's still time. All right, have a great day. Bye.